Bernardeschi, grande idea, Bernardeschi dentro sua volta per Dybala, attenzione, va la gioia, Dybala! È un capolavoro, quello di Paulo Dybala, un pallonetto!
Plays it to Rakitic, back to Messi. Oh, that is brilliant from Messi! What more could you say about the man?
Do look a threat, United. Nani's going to be boxed in there. Oh, brilliant skill from Nani. Beaten 2 men. He's beaten 3 men. Park coming in. It's gone in. Genius from Nani. That is superb play.
Nice cutting ball. Howard off his line. He's in trouble there with Dos Santos on it. That net is empty. He'll float it in. Mexico has taken over with a 4-2 lead.